So good day everyone. I discuss all about how to write the chapter 3, the methods of research and procedures. So generally, the research design is explained in this chapter. Among those topics include in the research design, which is needed to be given some kind of explanation are the following. So one is a method of the research use, method of the collecting data and development of the research instrument. Third is a sampling design. Lastly is statistical treatment. So the method of research. The method of research is used whether of historical, descriptive, or experimental should be explained and briefly. So for example, suppose the descriptive methods of the research was used in the study of the teaching of science in the high school of province. Oh. The method of collecting data and development of the research instrument. The methods collecting data is and the development for gathering data must be also be explained. The instrument used to be collecting data was the questionnaire. This was used to because it gathered data faster than another methods. So the sampling design. Before the collection data starting any research project, the proportion of the population to be used must have been determined already and the computations of the sample must have been finished. So what the research has to. The research must explain very clearly how to select the sample. He must be able to how that his sample is representative of the population by showing that he used the appropriate techniques and sampling. This is very important because if they appear that his sample is not representative, his finding and conclusion will be faulty and hence. So research instrument tools use gather data, example questionnaire interview and observation check. The questionnaire is prepared question answered by respondent, easy to distribute to save time, collecting data quickly. So statistical treatment. The the last part of this chapter usually describe the statistical treatment of data. The kind of statistical treatment depend upon the nature of the problem, especially specific problem, the nature of the data gathered. The role of statistic in research, which the advent of the computer aids statistic is now playing the vital role in research. So ethical consideration, respect the respect the respondent privacy, keep information confidential, explain and the purpose of the study. So the importance of the chapter 3 is provide the credibility to the study, explain how results within help future of research. So that's all. Thank you. So that's all. Thank you.